In this video, I'll be walking you through how you can get transcript for both short videos and long videos. People need video transcript for so many reasons, and maybe for your review, repurposing the videos into blogging, you want to learn more about the video, you want to take note. I'll be walking you through how to retrieve and get transcript for both short videos and long YouTube videos. Let me show you. For you to get transcript for this video or any YouTube video, long form, you scroll down. You come to the YouTube description box. Here, you click more. You scroll down. You look for transcript. Look at it. Transcript. Look at it. Show transcript. You click this. You can see this is the transcript for this video. You can also see the transcript at the side of the desktop computer, and you can copy it just by selecting it, either with or without the timestamp. For you to copy without the timestamp, you just click this three dots, then you toggle the timestamp. You can see you just copy for your use. This is how to get transcript for short videos, and you can also use your phone. Just use the desktop version on your phone, that is URL, not with the app. You come to the URL of the short video. Where you see short, you change it to video, you enter. What that does is to change this short video. All you need to do is to scroll down, come to the description area of the video, click more, scroll down again, you see transcript. Click the transcript. You can see the transcript at this side. All you need to do is to select it to copy it. Don't forget, you can also toggle the timestamp and copy. Then you can copy without the timestamp. So this is how you get to retrieve your transcript in both long form videos and any short form videos on YouTube. You see different tools and resources that will help you grow your YouTube channel in the links below the description of this video. Ensure you take advantage of those trainings and resources. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.